touch the surface,
yeah,
Domino, if you can.
All I can say to you is that they're very smart, the Klitschko's, and I have to admire them for that. They're very, very smart individuals. Hence why they're world champions for a long
and
period.
Loved. World champions and loved.
Yeah. Look, personally, I think they're really nice people.
Yeah.
But we're talking about boxing now.
Yeah.
They're nice. Away from the boxing, I heard they do a lot for charity.
They do,
and in Africa and places like that. So I really admire them for that.
When I was little, I was dreaming about traveling around the world, and I want to see ocean, I want to see black people, I want to see palms, because in the Soviet Union we didn't have all of this. And you know, I've been fortunate because my dream came true. I'm traveling a lot. I'm surrounded with black people.
Malcolm Garvey, Huey, study Malcolm Garvey, Huey. Their life was like a movie. Study Malcolm Garvey, Huey. Malcolm Garvey, Huey. Malcolm Garvey, Huey. Their life was like a movie. I die, I organize. Everything I do's revolutionize. I build what's good for the whole damn hood. Study G's like these, really think you should. I study Malcolm Garvey, Huey. Malcolm Garvey, Huey. Marcel Cody with the Uzi. Listening to Fela Kuti. I'm Ogun with the machete. Especially if it's Delhi. Got the Santos for the Hexy to protect me, so respect me. This is heavy, legendary, revolutionary. My wifey, she resurrect me when they thought they had me buried. Took me out the cemetery. Now it's family over every, cause it's all that's necessary to avoid the commissary. I'ma live for you five, so I stop getting high. If you know, then you recognize it's that black and brown pride. This the power of the mind. RBG, God divine. You can see through the lies if you could read between the lines.
I live, I die, I organize. Everything I do revolutionize. I build what's good for the whole damn hood. Study G's like these, really think you should.
Study Malcolm Garvey, Huey. Malcolm Garvey, Huey. Study Malcolm Garvey, Huey. Malcolm Garvey, Huey.
Malcolm Garvey, Huey, Bunchy, Bobby, Pac, and Tukey. Sitting by the door so you can say I'm acting spooky. Just like in the movie, son, you better pack your toolie. Niggas switch be acting fruity, you'll be cracking like they pookie. Rather smoke a doobie than be burning and eluding. Bang, bang, pig shooting, we should blame Rudy Julie.